How to reset virtual memory in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset virtual memory on the PC. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, right click on this PC. And now here, from the pop-up menu, just click on Properties. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and click on this option that says Advanced System Settings. And now here, once you click on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, just locate the performance under the Advanced tab. And now there, you can just click on Settings. And now here, once you open the performance option, you can just head to the advanced tab. And now here in this section, you will see the option labeled as virtual memory. So here just below that option, you will see the option labeled as change. So there you can simply click on it. And now here, once you do that, you can simply scroll down and here you can simply uncheck the automatic manage paging file size for all drives. And with that, you can simply select your drive and choose the number paging file. And once you're done with it, you can simply click on OK. And after that, enabling automatically manage paging file size for all drives again. And once you're done with it, you can just click on OK and restart your computer to apply the changes. And that's it. That's how you can reset your virtual memory in Windows 10 and 11. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.